Hey everyone, welcome back to another quick how-to. In this video, going to show you how you can delete search history on Safari on iOS 18. So first up, open up your settings and here scroll down until you find apps at the bottom. And here find the Safari app. And then once you're here, scroll down until you find an option which says clear history and website data. Here you can select time frame if you want last hour, today, and yesterday, and all history. You can also go to additional options and enable the close all tabs to delete or close your 7 tabs. So once done, tap on clear history. Once you've done that, go back here and go to advanced at the bottom and then go to website data. And then from here, what you're going to do is go to or scroll down until you find an option which says remove all website data and it will remove all your data on Safari. So that's all. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe and see you on the next video.